welcome to another video from our YouTube channel. We've got a brand new Toyota Yaris. This is the GR Sport model in. It's come straight from Toyota to us, as Toyota don't have an option to fit heated seats when you spec this vehicle out. So the customers picked up their vehicle and brought it straight to us to have their heated seats installed. And we'll show you what we've done. So if we hop in, lovely looking seats, made even better now. So there you can see the switch there. So we fitted a heated switch there. We've got 3 settings on this switch: off, low heat and high heat, which I'll show you now. You can clearly see it when you're sat in the seat, nice and easy to get to. So that would be high heat, off, and then low heat. All activated by the ignition. So if we start the car up, so no light on, so there's no heat at the moment. Flick the switch up. Red means high heat, no light, off. Green light, low heat. Very simple to use, very effective. These seats do get very warm, so great for those winter months. And we've also done the passenger side as well, which we'll show you now. So again, there you can see the switch. Very easy to get to when you're sat in the seat with the door shut. Fantastic. Great upgrade to this. Now we're heating the base and the back on this seat all the way up to there. Toyota's loss, our gain. Now you don't have to worry about if you leave the seats on and you switch the vehicle off, you're going to flatten your battery. As I said, these are ignition sensed, so as soon as you turn the ignition off, as you can see, we've left the seats on, turn the ignition off, all power to the seat is cut and the light is off. Just flick that back there anyway, and that is it.